Christian Hardinger and Stanley Pringle are on their way to Terra Firma in exchange for Stephen Holt and Isaac Go, which the two are going to Inebra. Welcome back guys to another video. And today, nandito tayo ngayon sa isang court. I don't know why am I doing my recording here, pero sige. Nandito na ako eh. So, let's get into the news. So, bale, there has been a trade that is going on in the internet and apparently, naging official na siya. So, basically, ang trade na to is between Christian Hardinger and Stanley Pringle, who are now in Terra Firma, in exchange for Stephen Holt and Isaac Go. Mame-maintain kaya ng Inebra yung kanilang legacy at ang kanilang impact when it comes to Philippine Basketball Association? Will Terra Firma make their way or make their push into the playoffs and finally win their championship? Ayun yung papag-usapan natin for today's video. Kung naging maganda ba yung trade, yung reaction ko sa naging trade, kung maganda ba siya, kung nanalo ba yung Inebra or Terra Firma, yun ang papag-usapan natin. So, abangan!
For last season, while still playing with Inebra, Christian Hardinger averaged 19.9 points per game, 11.2 rebounds per game, 5.1 assists per game, 0.5 steals per game, averaging almost 37 minutes per game and playing 11 games in the season. On the other hand, with his teammate Stanley Pringle, Stan Naban, he averaged 7.5 points per game, 2.9 rebounds per game, 2.1 assists per game, 0.7 steals per game, averaging almost 22 minutes per game while playing 11 games in the season. On the other side, with Stephen Holt, who was actually a former NBA player who joined the Cleveland Cavaliers back in 2010, averaged 21.3 points per game, 8.4 rebounds per game, 6.4 assists per game, 2.4 steals per game, averaging almost 40 minutes per game whilst playing 10 games in the regular season. He was also known in playing with the CSM Oradea in Romania. On the other hand, for Isaac Go, he represented the Philippines in the FIBA Asia Cup qualifiers in 2021, where he averaged with the Terra Firma Jeep in the regular season. He averaged 11.1 points per game, 6.7 rebounds per game, 1.8 assists per game, 0.4 steals per game, averaging almost 30 minutes per game and playing 11 games in the season. Para sa akin, lumakas both teams kasi you have like talented players from Inebra, meron din talent players in Terra Firma. It is a win-win trade for me. They can still be title contenders for both teams. Maybe soon makakanalo na yung Terra Firma a championship. For both teams, mas lalakas yung offensive and defensive side nila, especially sa side ng Terra Firma ngayon. You have a monster rebounder in Christian Hardinger and a talented point guard in Stanley Pringle. On the other hand, meron din mga experience like sina Stephen Holt and sina Isaac Go, who were previous players in different leagues. So, matutulungan nila yon. Kayo, sa tingin ninyo, sino ang nanalo sa trade dito? Inebra or Terra Firma? Will they be able to win more championships in the future for both Inebra and Terra Firma? Leave your comments and opinions in the comment section down below. That will be very much appreciated. But for now, yun na muna para sa akin. Hope you guys enjoy. Once again, thank you guys for watching. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.